what is it like to live on an island in the Bronx? Here is a walk down Schofield Street from City Island. This is a summertime look. We are at the first weekend of summer, which means that it would still be June. Dogs are barking. The American flags are out. Next weekend will be the 4th of July, Independence Day in the United States of America. But this is not a summer community where we are on City Island. And indeed, that is on City Island. We're not in City Island, as this is surrounded by water on all sides. We are in the borough of the Bronx. But this actually was one time considered Westchester. But now part of New York City, and I think it makes more sense, even though it doesn't really resemble the personality of New York City, to be living on a island with sailboats and waterside views. You really can't get here from Westchester. This is something that is accessible from the Bronx, Pelham Bay Park. And that is exactly how I got here today. I took the 6 train to the last stop, which would be Bruckner Boulevard, Pelham Bay Park, and then the BX29 bus to City Island, which is where we are today. And all of that, guess what? Costs only $2.75 from the Empire State Building, which is about 25 minutes from here. Ah, these are one of my favorite summer flowers, and I do not have them in my garden. So I'm always really happy when I do see them. Montauk daisies growing here on City Island. And then we have some lilies. Beautiful color of orange. And let's walk up waterside. Ah, look! Manhattan Island. I will wait till we get to the fence line. And I'll show you, you can actually see New York City from here. We're about 20 miles from the Empire State Building. And there is our view. There is Manhattan Island. Beautiful views of the bridge. And that is a quick walking tour of City Island in the Bronx. Till next time, happy summer from the ever beautiful I Love New York.